Hello guys and welcome to today's video. On today's video guys, I'm very excited to share with you guys this project called SIXSEVEN. That is because they have making a lot of wave, and of course there are a lot of things that is very unique with them which you don't want to miss out. All right, so this project right here have their token already trading on DEXs. For example, they are already launched on the Binance Smart Chain, and of course obviously you can see their contract address right here. There's a game right here within the mini app that you can play, and if you play the game and you are lucky enough, you can be able to get $7,000. and guess what, someone recently won on the game. So you can see this person posted it about 8 hours ago, saying that on his first try he was able to win about 5,000 gram, which is equivalent to 7,000 USDT. And over here you can see the SIXSEVEN club reposted it with their official Twitter account, and over here this is a very interesting project to actually check out. All right, so before we start the video properly guys, if you are new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. I post updates around crypto and crypto airdrop, how to make money online. I talk about airdrop, I do my research, and I find you guys a better project that can earn you a lot. All right, so this is of course a Telegram project, and a lot of us are already angry around Telegram project, but guess what, nobody knows where the six-figure airdrop is going to be coming from. This is probably nothing guys. Before we join any type of activity like this one, before you do anything around crypto, do way to do your research properly. This video is not a financial advice. You are responsible for all your actions. Okay, so right now guys, like I said, I'm very excited to share this project with you guys. So right now I will take my time to explain all I have known so far concerning this particular project called SIXSEVEN. So once you create an account, you are going to be given these points, let me call it points right here, and currently in my balance worth around $24. You can see it right here, and the project hasn't even released the airdrop yet. Starting right here, we have quest. Over here on quest, this is where you see some tasks that you can complete to earn even more points. And of course right here we have this boost right here. This boost actually allows you to earn even better. All right, so right now this is residential sleeper, passive income of 6-7 points every 12 hours. You actually earn passive income, and guess what, you can get this using the points that you are earning right here. Nobody is requesting for any external asset. Now this is one right here, it's called plus C7 aura. Increase your reward for messages in chat and tap forever. This one is mock the chat. With this one you can literally stop everyone from sending message on the general group. I'm going to be talking about that. Coming over here to friend, this is where you get your referral link, and this is where you get to invite your friends. And coming over here to leaderboard, this is where you see how many people that are playing this game, your position on the leaderboard, people that are topping up. Very interesting. Now coming over here to profile, let me show you guys a lot of things right here. So over here guys, you can see this is 6-9 right here, moving in such a way like, you know, you can see it's going up and down right now. When you tap on it, I will claim it right now. Okay, now how do you actually get your own to be like this? Come over here to chat right here, you can see chat, and over here on the chat you get to toss a die or spin this wheel. Okay, so for example right now when I click on it, okay, for example right now when I click on this one, I will click on send, and I will not be able to send another one until after 1 minute. So over here right now you can see this is it. I've got 7 right here, and with this 7 you can see the 7 is going to be live right here after it reloads. Okay, and if you toss the die and happen to get the 6 number on the die, that is when this 6 is going to be live and loading like this. So right now let me reload the page to get it on a beta state, because I've already used up the 2 numbers right there. Let me show you real quick. You can see this 7 is the last 7 that I got on the wheel that I spin, which I've just shown you guys. Now how do you actually utilize it when you have got 2 numbers like 6 and 7 on the game? So simply come over here to ball in. Okay, so over here on ball in you get to play basketball, and depending on how many times you were able to score on the basketball, that determines your reward. The first reward right here is 25 points, second 2,500 points, 5,000 points, 10,000 points, $67. If you're able to win 3 times you get $67. And over here guys, this one right here is $67 as well. That's about I'm not really seeing that clearly. And this one is of course 1 gift, and of course this one is 67 gram, and if you're able to score 8 times you get $5,000. That is how this guy right here, you can see this guy right here, that is what he did that got him this this amount. You can see him right here. This is it, 5,000 grams, which are equivalent to a 7,000 USDT. That is what he did, and he hit it 8 times. That's not easy. You can see his wallet right here. He showcased it, and everything is just going so well right there. So we are going to be trying it out right now. And remember, before you do any of this, do your own research. Okay, now let's go and play the game. Let's see what I'm gonna get. So right now I will click on this button. If I have met any of these requirements right here, then I'm going to be getting an attempt. You can see it right here. I've already gotten 6-7 in the chat. I think I've utilized it already. Let me just reload it. Okay, once I click on reload right now, it will reload, and I can no longer try it out because I've already hit it in the chat and I've used up that chances. I would have liked to show you guys the example. All right, so right now guys, without wasting time guys, I will just be stopping right here, and for example right now I'm going to be playing the game on the next video that I'll be dropping very soon. But once you click on it, you are going to be getting an attempt. If you're able to score maybe any time, maybe 5 times, 4 times, you are going to be getting any of this reward right here according to the instruction that they gave us. Now going back right now, this is it. You simply need to come over here, invite people, complete tasks, and of course top up on the leaderboard. Airdrop is coming very, very soon. All right, so this is the update I have for you guys concerning this particular project. I'm going to be sticking around the project announcement channel. If any announcement drops and it's necessary to share with you guys, I'm going to be keeping you guys updated regularly. All right, so thank you so much for watching guys. If you're interested on this type of airdrop, there's going to be an affiliate link right there on the video description box. Check it out to actually join this particular airdrop. I think it is a very nice one, and personally I recommend it for whoever that is really into crypto airdrop, because nobody knows where you are going to be getting the 6-figure airdrop reward from. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll be stopping right here. I'll be speaking to you guys on the next update that I'm going to be sharing with you guys very, very soon.